Fun understanding decisions. Every day we make decisions. Some are small and quick, some are big and long-term. All decisions matter, but not all are the same. Let's explore two major types: routine decisions and strategic decisions. 2. What are routine decisions? Routine decisions are simple. They happen regularly. They follow a set process. They don't take much time. Examples include what to wear today, replying to emails, restocking office supplies. These decisions help daily work run smoothly. Routine decisions, simple, regularly. Set process, examples, replying to emails, restocking office supplies, daily work. They are low risk and easy to change if needed. 3. What are strategic decisions? Strategic decisions are important and long-term. They affect the whole organization. They need planning and deep thinking. They are made by top-level people. Examples include launching a new product, opening a new branch, changing the business model. These decisions shape the future. They take time, resources, and involve higher risk. 4 key differences between routine and strategic decisions. Let's compare them side by side. Routine: daily, quick, low risk. Strategic: rare, long-term, high risk. Routine made by lower or middle management. Strategic made by top-level executives. Routine: focus on efficiency. Strategic: focus on direction and growth. 5. Why both are important. Routine decisions keep the engine running. Strategic decisions drive the car forward. Both are needed for success. A good leader balances both well. Understanding the type of decision helps you act better and smarter. Whether it's a daily task or a big goal, make your decisions count.